G'day folks, welcome to an OCC Daily Queensland Weather Up. Today, the 29th of the 1st, 2023. My name's Chris Nitzo. This update brought to you by our major sponsor, TownsvilleSheds.com. Check them out if you're in the market for a shed-safe, accredited shed. Alright, we've got a lot of shower activity coming in on the eastern seaboard, up here in the northeastern Cape, northeast Queensland as well, getting their fair share of shower activity. We've got some storm activity this morning across the Gulf country and some fairly slow-moving and very heavy rain-laden thunderstorms around the Channel country. 24 hours till 9 o'clock, rainfall thanks to the Bureau of Meteorology. We can see some significant rainfalls out the back of Mackay on the mountain ranges there. We can also see lots of rainfall in here around northeast Queensland, between just north of Townsville all the way through to just south of Cairns. We've had falls in the 50 to 150 millimetre range over large areas of this northeastern seaboard. We've also seen significant rainfall from convection across the northern interior and through the Gulf country. These folks down here around Currumbin, Normanton, the last thing they need right now is more rain. We also saw some isolated convective showers and isolated thunderstorms around southeast Queensland and just inland of the coastline, particularly in southern central Queensland. Over the next 6 hours or so, we're going to see widespread shower and thunderstorm development across northwest Queensland, especially if that high cloud that's currently in operation there burns off a bit. We're seeing some isolated convective showers again across the eastern ranges and a scattering of showers and isolated thunderstorms northeast Queensland, northwest Cape. As we progress into 10 p.m. this evening, we can see in that period preceding, that 6 hour period preceding 10 p.m, we can see widespread shower and thunderstorm development across northern inland Queensland, scattering of showers across northeast Queensland and some heavy rain-laden thunderstorms across southwest Queensland. Those isolated showers on the eastern escarpment are breaking down in the evening. We can also see some convective activity tracking west into the Gulf. As we go through 10 p.m. to 4 a.m, thanks to meteorologics.com for the modelling, we can see here that the rainfall is spreading westwards into the Gulf of Carpentaria, but we are seeing the potential once again for nighttime thunderstorm activity around that Gulf country. Northeast Queensland continues to see widespread shower activity, and once again the potential for overnight convection across southwest Queensland with the possibility of locally heavy falls. As we go into 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. tomorrow, we can see that this southwest Queensland area is seeing lots of rain and storm activity overnight into early tomorrow. We can see showers and thunderstorms also around the Gulf country and in the Gulf of Carpentaria. We can see scattering of showers across northeast Queensland, but we will start to see those ease from overnight tonight into early tomorrow, so less shower activity. Still though, the opportunity for locally heavy showers around that northeast coastline, just less of them. And rainfall between now and when we speak again tomorrow, we can see lots of shower activity across northeast Queensland, clearing to probably more north of Townsville through the day today, and the idea being that tomorrow we're seeing less activity across this northeast region. Showers and thunderstorms across the northern Cape, potentially for showers and storms across the western Cape, large areas of convective potential across northwest Queensland, northern inland Queensland, and we're especially interested in some of these storms down here in western and southwestern Queensland. Combination of ingredients could result in some pretty strong thunderstorm activity out here in the far west. As I mentioned, the possibility for isolated shallow convection across the eastern escarpments and many areas of inland Queensland, but we're not too interested in any of the intensity of any of that stuff. And you do have to have a lot of luck to be able to get under any of that stuff. Will be very isolated and very weak. Surface winds today, easterly flow, east-southeasterly, particularly strong in that Townsville coastline, Townsville to Bowen, Townsville to Whitsundays, that sort of region, 15 to 20 knots sustained winds there. Potential for gusts up around 20 to 30 knots in isolated pockets of that coastline. Elsewhere, those easterlies are still there, but they're a lot lighter, particularly as we head down towards southeast Queensland. So overall, the places you want to avoid on the water are these areas between around about Ingham, Hinchinbrook region, all the way through to the Mackay Whitsundays area. You probably want to avoid that section of coastline just in there. Elsewhere, it doesn't look too bad. Lots more activity coming our way over the next week or two, so if you'd like to learn more about it, head over to join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au. Check out our subscription options for a full in-depth deep dive into what's coming up in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.